Hi, this is Candy Shaw with Tips and Tricks Tuesday here in my academy in Atlanta at Candy's Cut Camp. And it occurred to me sometimes when we're trying to cut long hair, how do we actually work around the small of the back? So yes, if this hair was wet, it would be very easy for me to hold my finger and hold the hair straight down and cut it. But since I've chosen to cut this hair with a clipper and cut it dry, if I'm up higher on the shoulder blade, it's very easy for me to take that clipper and actually go in and get a nice clean line. But once I drop past the bra strap and start into the curvature of the spine, then I'm going to ask Jonathan to come in and show you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually hold a surface, and sometimes it's a magazine, sometimes it's just something that's flat that I can actually cut on. And I want to make sure that my hair is just floating straight down onto that I'm not actually pushing into that hair. And as I go to cut that hair, I'm going to go straight into that surface, and that surface is going to allow me the opportunity to cut straighter and to be able to have pressure on which to cut. And why I love this is because now I know that the bevel of this hair is going to be the same all the way through. Now as Jonathan pulls that out, I can take my comb and my clipper and I can run my clipper sideways just like this and make sure that any trash that was underneath that is cleaned out. The worst thing I could do is to push the head down and to try to hold it and push it at this point. What I'll do is after that hair has been blown dry for good, or I've shampooed and blown dry that hair, I can check that line. But far too often we go in and we think that squeezing the hair or giving tension to the hair is going to create the best result. Sometimes when hair just falls as straight as it can and in its place, then I actually get the cleanest result. So again, cutting with the clipper, cutting dry, small at the back, placing in something and a surface on which to cut on is going to give you the cleanest line every time. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw. Hi, Candy Shaw, the Balay Lama here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or go to sunlightsbalayage.com to learn more about our classes. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications of all the fresh new ideas, tips, and tricks that we release every week. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.